Hello everyone, and welcome back to Why Not Travel, and once again this is Robert. We are currently in Amber Cove, and we decided to do a short excursion through Carnival Cruise Lines to see and explore the Waterfalls of Damajagua.
Okay guys, so we made it. Oh, there we go. 8 feet? No, yes. Okay, so this is way pretty. Apparently we got to do about a 40-minute hike, not 40 miles, 40 minutes through the forest to get to the waterfalls. But yeah. Yeah, I think so. They made it. And Jesse was right again. He proved me wrong. On the bus, they informed us Jurassic Park was not filmed here, like I thought it was. It is what it is. He always tells me I give him false information, and I don't know.
Good shop on the trail too, right?
That's why it's a 40.
My friend.
Yeah, that's why it's a 40-minute hike. We have to go through all the stores. Actually, the art's pretty cool though.
It is.
Ya tú no vendes águila.
The never-ending staircase.
Better than that lighthouse.
Yeah, this is better than the lighthouse. The lighthouse was. Yeah. Okay, guys. So, when they said you're going to be hiking, they were serious. Now, it is a good path, and for the most part, it's not that bad. But as you could see, there was a staircase, and I nicknamed it the staircase to hell because I never thought it was going to end. but once you're over that, you stop and rest, and then the rest of the way is basically like this. I think we're getting to the top. So, yeah, it's pretty. We'll see if it was worth it. Yeah, it would be nice if it started raining. Okay, guys. I thought we were at the top. I was wrong. We have another hill. But it's not that bad. But we're starting to hear thunder, so it might start raining, which I'll be totally cool with that. That'll be nice. Looks like we're waiting again.
The caves.
The caves?
The caves would fill with water if it rains.
Yeah. It's way pretty. Okay. Here we go. Up the hill. So, one thing that they were saying is that there's basically 7 waterfalls year round. But if you come during the rainy season, which I'm not sure when that is at the moment, but if you come during the peak of the rainy season, there's actually 27 waterfalls. So, but either way, it should be cool. Guys, look, more stairs.
It's slippery.
Yeah. Never-ending staircase part 2.
I hear clapping.
I think we're almost there. I kind of hear water. Are you okay? Okay. Good news. It's official. Once we get to the top of this,
We survived.
we're there. Or at least that's what they're telling us.
10 more minutes. He said yes.
Okay. We're almost there. Okay. So we made it to the top of the mountain. He gave us a briefing. We had to put on our gear. And now we have to go downstairs. At least we're not going upstairs. But apparently this staircase ends at our first waterfall. So, yeah. I keep on saying this, but we're almost there. And this time, I actually hear water. I hear people screaming and laughing. So, I really do think we're almost there. We finally made it, guys.
How'd you going?
Okay, guys. Let's see what she's telling me. This is the best excursion we have ever done. Sorry, what? It was my foot. No. I'm saying. Oh my god. Gotcha. That's the best one. That we have done so far. Everything back? Yeah. This is cool.
Actually did an activity.
See, this is what I mean. It's not city tour. This is cool. beautiful, guys. I can't. Yeah, if you guys are coming to Amber Cove and you're active and whatnot, you need to come to the waterfall. Most definitely. But yeah, the only downside, and we kind of have talked about this, is it is kind of a little bit of herding cattle through here, because there's so many people and they need to get everyone through in a very timely fashion. And anyways, sorry about that. But anyways, like I said, so it is a little bit waiting in line and everything, but if you could get over that, it's just a lot of fun. It is a ton of fun, guys. So anyway, I'll catch up with you guys. That was fun. Yeah, I hit my butt on something and it hurt bad. I was like, oh my god. Oh, that's perfect. And that was unfortunately our last waterfall. Yeah. But that was amazing. Highly recommend this. Wish we could do it again. Could you do it again? Yeah. Oh man. Okay, so we're gonna hike the rest of the way back and wait. Okay, and maybe get some food and something to drink. But yeah, that was a lot. Okay, here we go, guys.
So just as a recap, and I already stated this before earlier in the video, this was by far the funnest shore excursion we have ever done on a cruise. Yes, there is quite a bit of hiking, but it is absolutely beautiful as you hike through this jungle. And yes, there is waiting to go down the waterfalls, but once again, it's well worth the wait, and it's just a lot of fun, and I highly recommend this. And honestly, after this experience, we both agreed Amber Cove is honestly our favorite cruise port at this point in time. Anyways, if you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe, and as always, I leave you with this: why not travel?